Hi everyone, Afiq again here. So I'm the founder of Ibrandium. So today this is the fifth episode of our vlog. So today I'm just gonna bring you guys along with our shooting for the podcast of KelakaBelia. This is the podcast that is organized by Ibrandium and also co-organized with Azam Sarawak. So this will be the recording for the KelakaBelia for the episode 9 and also 10. So I'll just bring you guys along with us at the second floor for the shooting. Hi everyone. So kamera Azam apa lagi? Out of 3. Out of 3 ke? Alright, so this is Jess. Say hi Jess. And this is Ain.
Hello, welcome back to the channel.
And we also have Min. Yeah, Min. This is a very technical guys.
So let's say kita ada any, in your opinion, if it's a controversial take or something spicy, you just say ada jauh. So it can be potentially controversial, but that's what we want juga. It's not to be too boring.
Yeah.
And we can politically aligned, and at the same time we want to impart some form of wisdom lah.
I think we'll share with the best one video is today, which is by Syahril lah.
Itu dia marah lah kot sebab kembalinya K kepada parti politik. Saya berpandangan bahawa dalam rancangan macam podcast yang cerita tentang isu-isu semasa politik dan sebagainya, kita tak sepatutnya jadi neutral.
When itu sometimes like kita a bit too boring lah. So that's why we have to have some stance, but of course have to be objective means there's a reasoning towards it lah.
The action, the initiative, not the person.
Yeah. And also is again like the host pun I think ways is also just asking questions, just getting opinions, and you also can be giving like opinions or other people's opinions. So there's a walk away lah. So just say you have to say like it's your own opinion. Probably there's where you hear or where you heard dan sebagainya lah.
We try and prioritize bahasa Sarawak, tapi nak pakai English pun saya masalah.
Better in bahasa Sarawak lah, because we often see a lot of Naya keluar.
Viewers are mostly from outside of Kuching. It's good to know that jangan anggap so kami orang ingat most of the viewers, but here we are.
But how many the other day? Kami sempat join je.
Almost 100 viewers.
Okay, not bad lah. Because
Total viewers berapa?
40k plus likes.
Live kita lah berapa total viewers?
Yes.
Oh, 30,000. Okay, not bad. So yeah, how many people won? 6 kah? 4?
4 but 1 void in
KelakaBelia pun is 4. 4 kan? 4, yes 4.
Kami Madah Ajat
In your
Pak.
host side Ashraf.
And I'm Anis Bungan.
Mulut baik.
And cut. Jalan-jalan.
Nak ingat? Masa kita discount kan? Rollerblade sama dia yang best. Rollerblade.
Ya, boleh kan je?
Boleh boh.
Okay.
Sekarang mau pakai tadi manis. Special kita. Special kita.
Rezeki.
Tak lama ya bisnes ni.
Saya nak tahu bisnes for 30 years.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay. Sebenarnya cik pernah fikir pula kerja di Bintulu aja.
Bintulu as an engineer tau.
As an engineer. Kami sebenarnya habis UTM, kami mau ambil course psychology. So I got a scholarship from Batam. Belajar psikologi dekat Australia. Kita yang masih cukup.
Business wise, kawan
semua menjadi CTO je. Dia dah mau jadi apa-apa, mau jadi tech guy dan company orang. Dia seriusnya.
Especially cyber security lah.
KelakaBelia, episode 9, scene 1, take 1. 3, 2, 1, action.
Yes. How was your kawan?
Good. Actually, no, quite boring last night. I'm kind of busy today.
Oh, tu sama je.
Yeah. Went to Zeus. That's pretty kawaii-ish. If this is your first time watching, again, welcome to KelakaBelia podcast. We are pretty much going to be talking about topics macam tu lah on a weekly basis as much as we can try to. If you like what you're seeing, feel free to just hit that like button, share, subscribe to your friends and family. I am Saida Shafiq, your host.
And I'm Anis Bungan. Ajak bye.
And cut.
Syukur. Ambil gambar dulu.
Satu, dua, tiga. Satu, dua, tiga. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Permanent host, permanent guest.
Semalam masuk.
Dan sebelumnya
Hi everyone, so we are with our host for KelakaBelia. So I would like to introduce here is
Anis Bungan.
so now basically we actually shooting for the podcast for the 9th and also the 10th episode. So right now I think actually honestly it's the end of the shoot. So they are quite tired. But let's just actually we just want to interview like a bit about them. If KelakaBelia in one word, what would it be?
In one word.
Yeah, probably like 3 words. I see here this question is 3 words. Like 3 words.
Okay, 3 words. Youth, vibrant, fun.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. How about you, Ash?
fire and blood.
There's 2 words.
Yes.
Fire blood. Okay, 3 words. Alright. Nice. So in your experience, like for this, I think 10th episodes now. So how is your experience actually? How has the journey has been? Because like 10 episodes is quite a lot also.
We started off very bumpy. First, we did not have a lot of time to get to know each other. 10 episodes in, 9 episodes in, we've seen a lot of growth. Chemistry is strong. We have a better bond now. We joke a lot. We laugh a lot. We haven't cried together. And I think...
Which episode was that?
Episode 2.
Yeah, I think she was shedding a tear, but I just looked at her and smiled. So, not there yet. Maybe in the future we can cry together.
Yeah, hopefully we can try together. As for me, it's my first time hosting for podcast.
So there's an ambulance again. Right. Okay.
And then I've been into lots of public speaking before, and I think podcasting is a different whole thing for me. Creative side, I really enjoy the bumpy roads, the roller coaster. I believe in imperfections, so I also believe in the room of improvement also lah.
Which episodes would you like the most? I think.
It's the 4th.
4th episode.
Yeah.
What is the episode again?
It's about marriage.
Alright. So did you find something out of it?
Actually, it's make our relationship as a co-host.
She blushed a lot.
Yeah. I blushed a lot.
I seen that. Yeah.
I think
It's quite out of character.
it was
Yes.
our first time shooting with each other only,
Yeah.
and I think it was the first time that we had to have like a very not to say uncomfortable, but probably like a harder topic to speak to, because it's not every day you get to ask someone why you're not married.
I was waiting in my whole life why people ask me when will I get married, but no one asks.
Yeah.
So this is like the time.
You're independent enough. Asking people like don't want to ask that.
No, I don't know.
Maybe you can do like part 2 for that.
Boleh. Okay je.
Yeah. What kind of we feature episodes that we would love to talk about more?
Something to do with music, I think is up my alley. I think I'd like to talk more about
Culture.
just what is music like with the AI thing nowadays, and how does it apply in today's stratosphere of politics and entertainment in general, and also like where is it heading?
I haven't thinking about it.
What kind of topics are interesting? Because I think the second episode was her forte, but I'm not sure like is there any other thing that we would love to actually talk about more?
I don't know.
Okay. So she's like enjoying like too much on the hosting side, so she's just
Because
whichever
just
topic.
throw me whatever topics
Okay.
I can just talk about it.
Or is there anything you'd like to talk about? Probably about me.
Maybe both of us.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, something more personal.
Something out of the box.
Out of the box.
Borderline crazy, fun, but also can relate back to the whole.
Yes.
Because again, we're not a politically driven podcast, but it can get political, which we don't close the door on that.
Yeah.
And we also feel like if we have something to say off our chest, we just say it. Yeah, that's our tagline.
Yeah. I think maybe you can talk about the UFO that you talk about.
Kita rasa melalui MS63 tu, kita kan silam lagi ada ART kan. Kita akan ada UFO sih.
You want to be our guest?
No. Not interested.
What topic? Marriage.
Then it's gonna be stuck again. Like if the marriage is gonna be.
COI, clash of interest.
Clash of interest. I can't be there. Alright. So yeah, I actually just getting to know our host. So hopefully throughout the time we're just gonna see like a lot more about of them and about them. So yeah, he's lying already. So probably he's gonna sleep over here. And go to work tomorrow. Alright.
I don't have a house.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. So you guys can see like how actually tapi tak lepas sokat tengok. Alright, so this is the end of the video. So yes, this is KelakaBelia podcast. So that's the process that we did already. You can see some of the hosts are still here. They are very working hard. So looking forward for the next video.
KelakaBelia.
Amin.